So I welcome back again with another video with another topic. I was reading Psycho Cybernetics and I would like to share uh, some of the tips or some of the moment that I have underlined what he was sharing with us. So the forward was written by Matt Fure. I guess I've pronounced correct, or if not, it's okay. So this book talk about that one can improve their self-image by just reading this book. No, not at all. But again, if you are ready to practice this or creatively respond, as author says, to information that he's providing, then you can change it and can make it your own. So in forward, Matt shared his own life, like how he was, champion in Kung Fu, but still he feel like a failure just because he didn't get his first place but second, because his way of seeing his his condition was that he feel like that he was only focusing on the negative aspect of his life, right? Then again, in this book he shared that how just changing the behavior of person, not only behavior, but he talks about surgery, because Maxwell was a surgeon, a plastic surgeon. So he shared that how his patient, I mean yes, how his patient got new life just having a surgery, because some of people have a bad nose, bad lips, or distorted version of their self. So he said that if you think that surgery is making them feeling happy, it's not the whole truth. Because if it is, so it should need to be go in both hand, right? So yeah. I think I haven't marked down all the words here, but yes, I have read the 2 chapters of this book. So in this book he said that we need to picturize ourselves or our movie the way we want to see, because we all are living in the loop where we do the same thing. So start doing something different today, so your brain get wired with those things, because from the so long time we all are doing the same things, and we are in the same zone because of we are doing the things in the same way. So he says that rather than doing, like, let's just take an example of this, that when you are when you are tying your shoes, rather than we all notice that first it can also depend on the people as well, like we are tying our first shoes, I mean right shoes, then left. So, so rather than going with that, let's just switch it and create a new difference in your life. Life is beautiful, isn't that? In the last, it's not a chapter, but I guess it combines all the learnings of his life. I don't know why I'm feeling like let's go, towards that bhaiya and just made him to sing the song of mine.